Find all files in a directory with extension text in Python. How can I find all the files in a directory having the extension .text in Python?
You can use glob or simply os.listitor. Or if you want to traverse directory, use os.walk.
Use glob.
Something like that should do the job.
You can simply use pathlib's glob1 or in a loop. If you want it recursive, you can use .glob.text. The pathlib module was included in the standard library in Python 3.4. But you can install backports of that module even on older Python versions, i.e. using conda or pip, pathlib and pathlib2.